Good morning, children. This next exercise 7.8, page number 47. The application of optimization. Actually, here in the odd problem, by using the local maxima and the local minima idea. The maximum, the question is involved definitely maximum, highest, utmost, least, minimum, lowest. In this way, the word is important. For maximum, which one? The local maximum. That is the meaning. Local minimum, what is the method actually? You will find one function f of x that differentiates one time, two time. One time is equal to differentiation is equal to 0. You will get the x value. Substitute the x value to second derivative. Whether it is negative will come in, that is called local maximum. That is asking. This product is maximum, you will find product. That is the function. This application problem, that's why the equation is not given. From the condition, you will find the equation. The working is on the previous area, easy for it. First derivative, second derivative, first derivative 0, you will find the x value, substitute x value in the second derivative, whether the negative is the local maximum, positive local minimum. That is the idea. Okay? Working is the same, but you will find the equation. That's extra work. What is the equation? Find the two numbers now. Let x and y be there. Y be two positive numbers. Our assumption. Given, what is given? Sum is equal to 12. That means what? X plus y equal to 12. Y equal to 12 minus x. What do you find? What is asking? The product is asking. Product P is equal to x into y is asking. So x into y is what? 12 minus x. Now multiply. The P given as P of x. That P of x is equal to multiply 12x minus x square. Okay? From the condition, you establish the function. Then as usual. Differentiate one time. P of x is equal to 12 into 1 minus 2x. Okay? Again differentiation. P double s of x is equal to what? 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 1. Now, the first derivative equal to 0 implies 12 minus 2x is equal to 0. Or 12 minus equal to the 2x. X equal to 12 by 2 is 6. Now, when x is equal to 6, second derivative of x, substitute the x value in the second derivative, we know x value, but minus 1 will come. So less than 0. It has local maximum. Therefore, the product only asking on, the product is maximum when x equal to 6 and y equal to what? 12 minus 6, that is 6. What is that again? The two positive numbers are, therefore the two positive numbers are 6 and 6. That is the answer. Here, yes, of the function only extra work. The remaining are all easy by. First derivative, second derivative. First derivative 0, you will find x value. Substitute the x value in the second derivative. Whether it is negative mean local maximum, positive mean local minimum. The question itself, the maximum is given. But definitely, second derivative always negative will come. The question is minimum is involved mean, definitely second derivative becomes positive will come. In this way, the question and the answer is given. You will find the number only. This type of question, actually, 5%, 7.8 exercise, you know, so many problems. This is called application of maximum minimum. Application of maximum minimum. The equation or functions not given. From the equation, you will establish the function P of x, get P of x, P means product. Am I correct? Depends on the question you will ask. P of x. the same thing. Both the rules are same. Second question, the same type of question. The first one, sum is given, product is asking. Here product is given, sum is asking. The same thing. Let x and y be the two positive numbers. Okay? What is given? Given or by data, product is given. Product is what? 20. Product is what? X into y is 20. From this you will find the value of x, y, 20 x. This way. Now what is asking? The sum s is equal to x plus y is asking. Now s is can be done as that f of x is equal to x only. Y is what? 20 by x. Okay? Now divide by one time. S plus of x equal to this 1 plus, again to know, plus 20 is constant. Denominator is formula is minus 1 by x square formula. So 1 minus 20 by x square. Again differentiate. Double dash of x is equal to, the 1 becomes 0, minus 20 is constant. Denominator is x square. Denominator x square is what? This x power minus 2. What is the formula? Minus 2 by x power 3 is the formula. Actually, minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1. That is what? Minus 3. So, minus 2 by x cube is the formula. Minus 2 divided by x cube is the formula. Multiply 40 by x cube. Okay? Now, the first derivative is equal to 0 implies. Am I right? 1 minus 20 by x square equal to 1. So 0. Minus 20 by x square equal to minus 1. Otherwise, 1 is equal to 20 by x square. Cross multiply. X is equal to plus or minus 4 into 5. Okay? That is what? 2 into root 5. Now, x is equal to plus 2 root 5 is only possible. What is the reason? What is asking? Either two positive number only asking. This is not possible. Need not substitute both the number. Because find the product. Sum is minimum only asking. Out of two number, you will put plus 2 root 5. Then only we get the answer minimum. Now, when x is equal to 2 into root 5, comma, second derivative of 2 root 5 is equal to, substitute here, 40 divided by second derivative, 2 root 5 whole power 3. Without simplification, that can be 0 because positive number. Automatically, it has local minimum. It has local minimum. Therefore, the sum is, what is that? Sum is minimum. The sum is minimum when x is equal to 2 root 5. And we will what? 20 by x, no? 20 by x. But 20 divided by 2 root 5. Am I right? Multiply by root 5. Here only 5. So 2 root 5. Therefore, the two positive numbers are required. Two positive numbers are 2 root 5 and 2 root 5 is the answer. The sum is minimum when x and y are both are numbers are same. You get by chance. This is what we are asking. Our second derivative for purpose what purpose you are finding second derivative? Substitute the x value in the second derivative. But the negative means local maximum. The positive means local minimum. Here greater than 0. Without simplification, all are positive. More than 0, it has local minimum. Therefore, the sum is minimum when x equal to something, y equal to something. That is the answer. First one, sum given, product you want to put. Here the product is given, the minimum is, sum is minimum you want to put. For the same. Now, third question, find the smallest, that is minimum. Smallest means minimum. You will prove local minimum. So, second derivative will be positive. the possible value of this one. This is given. Solve given what is given? X plus y equal to 10. From this, we will find the value of x. Wait. Now, let this is the f of x square plus y square. Y is what? 10 minus x whole square. Am I right? Now, what is the formula? A square plus square b square minus 2ab. The number difference is easy value. Substitute here 2x square minus 20x plus 100. This is the formula. Then previous idea. Differentiate one time. X square become 2x, 100 is 4x. Then minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 20 into 1 plus 100, 0. Again differentiate. Double derivative of x is equal to 4 into 1 minus 0 is 4. Now, the first derivative is equal to 0 implies you will find x value. 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. So 4x equal to 20, x equal to only 5. Am I right? When x is equal to 5, second derivative of 5 is equal to, here only 4 is there. Is that what? Positive. It has local minimum. Am I right? Therefore, f of x is minimum when x is equal to 5. Am I right? Therefore, what is asking? The smallest value is asking. Therefore, the smallest value is equal to substitute x to 5 f of given f of 5. Substitute here f of 5. Substitute here the easy value x square, 5 square. 10 minus 5 whole square. So 5 square plus 5 square, that is 25 plus 25 equal to 50 is the smallest value. That's all. This answer. The smallest value is asking. That's why substitute x value in the given function. That is the answer. If it is minimum is small, when x equal to 5. Smallest value asking. That's why substitute x value in the given function. Substitute here or here. This is easy value. Am I right? Our student this is coming, but here substitute here is easy value. X is 5, give us a 5, simply we get answer. 25 plus 25, 50 is the smallest value. That's all. Fourth question, a garden is to be laid out in a rectangular area and protected by wire fence. What is the largest possible area? Largest is maximum. But second equal negative will come. Possible area of the fenced garden with 40 meters wire. The wire no, fencing the wire. That means perimeter of the wire is given. What is asking? Area of the rectangle is asking. The first one, let the x and y be the length and the breadth of rectangular garden. Am I right? First one. What is given? Given. Perimeter is given. Am I right? The possible area, the fenced garden with 40 meters wire. The garden, the fencing is here. Let's call perimeter of the wire. 40 meters. The formula for perimeter is 2 into x plus y. Am I right? 2 into x plus b. Am I right? The x plus y is what? 20. Y is what? 20 minus x. In this way, you will find y. Now what is asking? The area of the rectangle is asking. Area of the garden. Area of the rectangular garden. That is what? A equal to length into breadth. Actually here. That is what? X into y. This is called A of x equal to x into y already find out 20 minus x. Now multiply 20x minus x square. This is A of x. Then 3 is here. Differentiate one time. A dash of x equal to 20 into 1 minus 2x. Am I correct? Again differentiate. Double dash of x equal to 0 minus Now, the first derivative is equal to 0 implies 20 into 20 minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 2x is minus 20. See, the minus can cancel, x equal to 10. When x is equal to 10, in the second derivative, what is the answer? No x value, only minus 2. Less than 0. Up it has local maximum. Am I right? Now what is asking? What is the largest possible area is asking? Therefore, largest possible area is equal to area when x is what? 10, you know? Up area of 10. Substitute here, area. This will be area, no? Here or here. Substitute here 10 into 20 minus 10, that is 10 into 10, that is 100, that is the answer. This is the largest possible area. Largest means the maximum. Already proved is the maximum because of less than 0. Then answer is largest maximum area. That is the answer. Largest possible area or directly answer maximum area. Area, you know, that's right. Meter square. That is the answer. Area, you know, meter square. That is the answer. Because the part of meter is given perimeter. Okay, meter square. That is the answer. Anyway, the simple problem, important 5 mark question. From the question, you will solve with the equation. Then as usual, first derivative, second derivative, first derivative 0, you will find the x value, substitute the x value in the second derivative. But the answer is largest, you know, maximum. But definitely here, second derivative negative will come. In this way, you want to verify the answer. That's why easy for you. Listen here, fifth question. Read the question from the book. Refer the book in the question. Now, a rectangular page is to contain 24 centimeters square. Rectangular page. Usually, in the all the math book or math book, whatever may be, in the book rectangular shape, you know, rectangular shape, the top and the bottom sides are always with a margin, not the fully printed. Surface are left, remain side only, print the matter. Am I correct? In 4 sides are some spaces are empty spaces are there. That is called margin. And extra will be the length and breadth of the only printed matter, printed area. Now area is 24 centimeters square. Area form is what? Length and breadth. Because x is length, y is breadth. X is 24, y is 24 base. That's all. Now read the next line. From the first line diagram. Area given, from the area you find the value of y. First part over. The margin at the top and the bottom. In top and the bottom, the margin is what? 1.5 centimeter. Here also 1.5 centimeter. Automatically now this is the whole thing, you know. Sides are what? Sides are 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Am I right? Now, this diagram becomes a 1 here 1. This length is what? X 1 plus 1 2 of x plus 2. Length is x plus 2. The breadth is what? Here y at 3. Here 1.5. Here also 1.5. Y plus 3. Am I right? Am I right? Now, length of the page totally. Now, length of the page is x plus 2 and the breadth of the page is y plus 3. Now what is happening? Now put that what should be the diameters of the page? Length breadth is asking so that the area of the paper, actually area of the not page, paper, the whole thing, no, the paper. The area of the paper will be asking. The area of the paper is equal to you want to multiply this to x plus 2 into y plus 3. Let it be area in A. Am I right? Area exactly x plus 2. Here y is what? 24 by x plus 3. Now multiply x into 24 by x plus 3x. Again 2 into 24 by x plus 2, this is in this way ordinary multiplication. X is cancelled. 24 plus 3x plus 48 by x plus 6. Okay? Now 30 plus 3x plus 48 by x. This is the equation. Then as usual. Differentiate one time. Okay? Differentiate one time. A dash of x equal to 0 plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 48 into minus 1 by x square. Okay? So 3 minus 48 by x square. Okay? Again differentiate. Double dash of x is equal to 0 minus 48 into, already told you, denominator x square means limit is x power minus 2. Minus 2 by x cube. What is the answer? 96 by x cube. Okay? That is the second derivative. Now, the first derivative is equal to 0 implies, what is the answer? 3 minus 48 by x square equal to 0. So 3 minus equal to 48 by x square. Cross multiply x square equal to 48 by 3, that is 16. Of x equal to what? Plus or minus 4. X is what? Length. Am I right? But length cannot be negative. That's why you will cut the only positive sign. X is minus 4 is not possible. Now, replace x by 4 in second derivative. Am I right? When x is equal to 4, comma, the second derivative of 4 is equal to 96 divided by 4 cube. Am I right? It is greater than 0. It has local minimum. Am I right? What is the question? Is the question what should be the diameters of the page so that the area of the paper is minimum. Therefore, area of the paper is minimum when x is equal to 4. Now diameters of the paper is what? Length and breadth, no, that is diameters of the paper. Therefore x plus 2 equal to what? 4 plus 2, 6. Y equal to what? Y equal to what? Y equal to what? Y plus 3. We want y plus 3. Y is simplified out 24 by x plus 3. Here x is what? X is 4, 4. Cancel 6 or 9. Therefore, diameters of the paper is 9 and 6 is the answer. Okay? Therefore, dimensions are, direct answer, dimensions are 6 meter and 9 centimeter. That is the answer. Y plus 3. We want the paper means the whole thing. X plus 2, y plus 3. Y is 124 by x. X is 4. 24 by 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. The dimensions are 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter answer. Anyway, this is part of 5%. Very part of 5%. The top and the bottoms are margin 1.5, 1.5. 1.5, there is y. 1.5, 1.5, total y plus 3. Sides are 1 centimeter. Abhi already x, you know, x, here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter. The total length is x plus 2. Yeah, that's all. Now listen here. Question number 6. A farmer plants fencing a rectangular parcel adjacent to a river parcel. The rectangular garden nearby one river. The clearly given no fencing is needed to the river side. Our x and y be the length and the breadth of the parcel. Now what is given? The area is given. Area equal to 1,08,000 is given. Area is what? X into y equal to 1,08,000. Y equal to 1,80,000 by x. This is y. Is that it? Now what is asking now? No fencing is needed to the along the river side. What is the length of the minimum needed to fencing the material? Length of the fencing is asking. Therefore, length of the fencing. Let me equal to length. Fencing is x plus y plus x plus y plus y. Okay? So, all x is equal to x plus 2y. So, x square 2 into y is what? 1,80,000 by x. Am I right? This is x. This is the equation. This is the question clearly. What is asking? Find what is the length of the minimum? Length of the minimum needed fencing material. Length of the material is minimum asking. Now this is length, you know. Difference in what time? L dash of x equal to 1. Multiply both. 3,000, 3,60,000 into divided by x, you know, minus 1 by x square. Am I right? Therefore, minus 3,60,000 by x square. Again, differentiate. Double dash of x is equal to 1 plus 3,60,000 into this is actually what? Minus that. In x power minus 2 will be minus 2, that is plus 2. 2 by x power 3, that is x power minus 3 becomes x3. This is 0. So multiply again 7,20,000 by x square cube. Now first derivative put in place. What is the first derivative? 1 minus 3,60,000 by x square equal to 0. Now 1 equal to 3,60,000 by x square. Cross multiply x square equal to 3,60,000 of x equal to plus or minus 600 of x equal to what? Only 600 is possible. X is length, you know, this is not possible. Already I told you, substitute the x value in the second derivative. What is the answer? Second derivative. 7,20,000 by 600 whole cube. 600 whole cube. A is more than 0. It has local minimum. Am I right? Am I right? It has local minimum. Therefore, the length of the fencing is minimum when x equals 600. Therefore, length of the fencing is minimum when x is equal to 600. Now, what is asking? The question is, what is the length of the asking? No, the minimum length. Length is length of the fencing. Length is minimum. The length is minimum, not length of the fencing. Length is minimum when x is equal to 600. Therefore, our answer is what? Length of the fencing, as you know. The length of the fencing equal to x plus 2y. X is 600 plus 2 into y is what? 1,80,000 by x is 600. Now 6 into 600 into plus cancel, 2 0 cancel. 2 zeros are cancel. 1 times here, 3 times 300. Multiply 600. So 1,200. Here whether the meter or centimeter, meter is given. That's why 1,200 meter. That is the answer. Length of the length is minimum when x is 600. But length of the fencing is length of fencing is this side. This already find out now. X plus 2y. That is the length. That is the answer. In front of the river, no fencing. but this side. Usually the perimeter may 2x, 2 into x plus y, but here not controlled. This side need not consider, that's why y plus x plus y, that is x plus 2y. Area given, length is asked. 5 more percent, 1%.